Okay guys, right here I have installed my $1 garage sale Mercury vapor fixture. It's 175 watts, and I have ran the wire right here to this outlet that connects to the light bulb right here. So it's controlled with the light switch. So yeah, as you can see inside there's the bulb itself. It's pretty bright. Yeah, it's not pretty green. It's like lemon lime something. It's like kind of color, because a lot of Mercury vapors like these get pretty bright, and now it's illuminating the whole backyard. Not much. So as you can see, it just illuminates the whole backyard nice and well. And now there's going to be some mosquitoes that wants to attack the light. Look at the little moon right there. As you can see the moon. I have another fixture outside. Yeah, right here. Yeah, it's pretty bright. Yeah, my camera's dirty. Let me clean my camera off fast. There we go. Nice and clean. And just need to adjust the light fixture. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how it looks like. I'm gonna try to take a picture of it. There we go. And yeah, it's pretty much. Here's one I have in my front door. Hold on a minute, guys. As you can see, this light's not on yet. It's gonna take a little while. Oh, it just turned on. Okay. Yeah, this one just turned on, and there's this neighbor, two neighbors right here having a shootout fight, and here's the high pressure sodium. Why is it red? It looks like low pressure sodium, but not really. We have some stupid General Electric Evolve series. There's like one right there, and there's one right there by Beckman Park. Oh, yeah, they're having a shootout. As you can see, yeah, that light over there. And I do not really live here. It's actually my sister. It's a little mosquito stuff in there. I don't know. Alright, yeah, pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.